Hello, everybody. It's been so long. I have been active here because there was a lot of things happening here, and I was settling down from. I was migrating, and I was also doing a lot of new courses and under a few mentors, and I was also having some new learnings and experiences. So, and I was held up all tight, and I couldn't do any. I was not able to be active in social media as well, and I was also not actively running any programs as well. So now I feel like I received a message from my client saying that it's been so long and you have not done any program, but I feel like I need this, can we do this? And I felt like this was the calling from the universe. So I felt like okay, we shall do. But at the same time, what I felt like that the 2026 is half done, June is over, so only 6 more months is there, and in 6 July is also to be done, and so the only remaining 5 months is there. And many people feel like I have set goals in 2025 December or 2026 January, but it's been 6 months, I couldn't do even a small thing, and I feel so guilty and bad about it. And for everybody like you, I got you, this is the right time. I like how I felt, this is the call from the universe to restart. This is the call for you from the universe to start your uh, goals or whatever you decided for you. So what is the program is that I'm going to launch the Habit Club, and I'm going to be very clear. This is a paid program. I just don't want to give it for free and tell people like you come inside and sit idle seeing what others are doing, or even not seeing, not opening the group, only doing nothing. I don't want that energy, because now I'm with new learnings, new place, new things, and again I'm going to relaunch it. I have already had a Habit Club earlier, but what is so special about this is I'm going to pour a lot of my own experiences as well as my new learnings, and made it even more powerful and effective program this time. And I feel like this remaining 5 months should not be wasted. At least out of 10 goals, if you make it at least to 2 goals, that is really a success for me, because nothing is, something is better than nothing, right? So if you are not able to do anything, at least something you moved and you feel proud about it, that is what the thing. So the program is going to start on 20th of July this month, and it is going to be a 21-day program. It will be like both online and offline in the sense it will be happening in WhatsApp as well as I'll also be conducting live sessions as well. Of course, you will get the recordings, and I'm again mentioning you, it is a paid program. So whoever feel like yes, I want it, I just wanted to start again, I just needed a push, just come here. This group energy will push you to a higher extent, and by the end of 21 days, I'm sure that you will get out of some habit which you wanted to build. And apart from that, you'll also be learning a lot of things which you can carry forward through the rest of the year, and you can achieve your goals. So I'm just looking forward to all your registrations. For all the other details or any other payment details, just DM me Habit Club, and I'll just send it to you. See you inside the Habit Club. Happy you, happy life.